So, good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmates. So, today, I am reporting about business letter. So, what is a business letter? Business letter is the most often used in communicating. Needs to be published and professionally format. So, kapag imo ka business letter, it is a formal or professional the way you write a letter to the client or the partner. So, what is the mga parts niya? Ang mga parts niya kay hiding letterhead, return address. So, what is hiding letterhead, return address? So, money includes the sender's details such as the name, address, contact details, mobile numbers, email address, and also code return address, for it contains the address where the recipient will refer when sending the response. So, katong nag-imog business letter, kung saan man yung higamit? Ato nga apan. Oh, sige. What yung higamit na apan? Commonly, it is a full black. So, motong recent nga ito na na-discuss si Navarro. So, moto nga ngay mga part nga sa atong letter nga ang kaning nga parts nasa tinatungyan. Dito ang mobile numbers, katong mga details nato sa kung kuan ka sa imong partner o sa imong client o sa imong ka-partnership business. So next one, date line. So what is the date line? So should be placed spaces below the writer's return address information, the final component in the hiding of a business letter. Format, month, day, kanyang format, unang month, day, and year, or the day, month, and year. Either anang duha. So, the date of the letter should not be abbreviated and must be indicated completely. Kabantay mo ata? So, kita naman tanan kay mas nauna man ang di ba? Ang business sa letter contract sa report. So, mag-paste na lang ta sa atong report, katong i-pass na to. So, ato, di ba? Nagbuhat ang business letter ato. So, kanya example ako. So, nagbuhat ang business letter. So, ang una, di ba? Katong details sa taas, katong naan nato ang mobile numbers, email address, etc. pa na details. So, ang sunod nato, ang date lines. So, ang date lines, kanus ano gibuhat o gihimo ang letters. So, ang sunod nato, mga details, ang next nato, space kag tas then katong ang date niya, kung sa mga adlaw yung gihimo. So, moto, ang date line. So, next one, inside address. So, what is it inside address? So, inside address, a counterparts of the letterhead contains the receiver details or contains information such as the name of the receivers, his or her position, company, and the company address. Type 2 space below the date line. So, mapantayan mo to na detail inside the address na atong mga na to, katong i-receive nimo, receiver, pagka-dateline, sa dateline, na ditong nakabutang ang imong gustong padalaan. Gusto nimong padalaan sa address. O, na dito ang position, company address, moto, nga dito mabutang ang inside the address. So, the next one is salutation. So, what is a salutation? Salutation is the initial greetings of the sender to the receiver of the letter. It's very important to consider proper styles for the person to which the letter will be sent. Beyond use as the punctuation mark for the salutation, type to space after the inside address. So, the next one is the salutation. What is a salutation? Sa mga salutation, na ang next daw ay salutation. Sa inside the address, ang next niya is salutation. Kumbaga, ano siya, salutation. Ano siya, na recipient. Pagkali, isa na sa inside address na salutation. O kanang murag himini mo na their imong ka-business partner o ka-recipient mo. Mo na salutation. Murag nagtahod ka ba? Your mom, sir, So, next one is the body of the letter. What is the body of the letter? It's the most important part because it is the essence of the letter. And next, that contains the message of the sender to the receiver. The sender must be taken into consideration several factors. There are six qualities of effective business letter. So, kaning body of the letters, mo yung ang mismong sulod sa imong ituyo sa imong ka-business partner o sa recipient na imong ipadalan. So, for example, kung sa imong gusto ipadala, gusto kang partnership or gusto kang imong business kay musmala ko or ka-partnership na gusto nimong istorya tanan na gusto ka tamay imong business partner tungod kay mas collaborate ta, mas effective atong collaboration sa business. So, next one is from complementary clause. What is a complementary clause? Considered to be the closing greetings of the senders to the receiver. Sagot na kayo, di ba? So, only the first letter of the first word should be typed in the uppercase. The rest should be in the lower case only. Then, punctuation mark to be used must be comma. Type 2 space below the body of the letter. So, must be pag-connect sa body of the letter. Mukha ka mag-1 space 2 ka, para mas convenient or hindo ang nagtawag. Next, pag-connect sa ito is complementary clause. What is a complementary clause? Parang murag siya sincere na pagkakabitaw, pagka-critics sa imo. For example, I hope na kita nga partnership mas mas great, improve pa na to, na mas maayo nga business kay makaya ra nato rin. Nga na mapahitabo nga murag siya nagbalog tahod bitaw para sa imong partner o business partner nga nag-receive sa iya. So the next one is the signature block. So what is a signature block? Signature block. This part is identified. The sender shows the full name of the sender of the letter, which is our signature block. Make is the letter valid and reliable. Type 3 to space below the complementary clause to leave space for the sender's signature. So, mostly nakuha naman natin nabuhat na natin. So, dito na ako, sabutabo naman ang signature. So, dapat na akong name, middle name, o atong apelido. So, next one, reference initial. So, what is a reference initial? It's the type is initials. If the sender is not the same person who typed the letter, it is not the sender's initial that appears in the letters must be rather in the typist initial. Type 2 space below the signature. So, mag-type ka pagkatuwa. So, ang reference ay must be ang imuhang address. So, nag-reference ba siya? Kumbaga, sa office ba mo ipadala or sa imong balay mo na reference. Mura nag-base sila, asa nila must be, asa nila ipadala ang letters. So, that's all. So far, tas tayo, no? So, and that's all. Thank you, ma'am. Good evening.